Hi, this is Dr. Alex Tauberg. I'm a primary spine practitioner and evidence-based chiropractor, and recently I've had several of my patients ask me what I think about postural braces, and so in this video I wanted to touch on what postural braces are and what I think of them. If you use Facebook or other forms of social media, you've probably seen advertisements for postural braces. They are essentially elastic straps or elastic vests or even elastic undershirts in some cases that help you stay in a more upright, correct posture. As far as their effectiveness goes for reducing pain or for even improving one's posture, I'm not really aware of any true studies, randomized controlled studies, that show their effectiveness or ineffectiveness. With that said, I'm doubtful that postural braces are effective. So postural braces are based on a false belief system. First of all, they're based on the belief that poor posture causes pain and degeneration. This is inaccurate. And second of all, they're based on the belief that braces can actually correct problems. For the majority of problems, this is also inaccurate. So let's tackle the first belief system, that poor posture causes pain. A lot of people think that having bad posture leads to them having pain or leads to them having degeneration. However, this just hasn't been seen with studies. Posture does not cause pain for the majority of people. It does not cause degeneration for the majority of people. Studies have really looked into this correlation between pain and posture and have indicated that one's posture likely does not result in pain. While there are exceptions to this at times, for the vast majority of people, it doesn't really matter what your posture is like. It's not going to cause your pain. People with perfect posture can easily develop pain, and people with absolutely terrible posture may have no pain throughout their life. So correcting for something that really isn't an issue in the first place doesn't make much sense. Second of all, braces are not effective at treating the majority of problems. There are obviously exceptions like scoliosis, but for most problems, braces are more of a temporary solution. For instance, we used to prescribe back braces for people with back pain. The belief was that by giving them a back brace, it would take some of the stress off the low back, relieve the pain, and allow them to heal. But what we actually found was that this is not what happens. Instead, when someone wears a back brace for a long period of time, the muscles that normally support the back and help the back stay stable relax and stop contracting as frequently and with as much force as they normally would. This results in those muscles becoming smaller and potentially wasting away. Then as a result, people actually have more back pain because the back is now less stable. So the back becomes reliant upon the brace for its stability, and this just can lead to chronic pain, chronic dysfunction, and really isn't a great thing. So in my mind, a brace that is meant to correct for posture will likely have a similar effect. Postural braces are going to cause the muscles that would normally be used to keep you in that good posture to be able to relax and not be used as much to stay in that good posture. So this likely causes those muscles to once again become weaker rather than stronger. So this would be the exact opposite of what you would want to do if you want to correct a postural dysfunction. Instead of strengthening the muscles and staying in that correct posture, we're actually letting ourselves let those muscles waste away so that they don't keep us in that posture, just the brace is. So I personally do not recommend postural braces for most people. I don't think they are effective, and I don't think they address the problems that truly need to be addressed, especially for people who are in pain, and that's why they're looking into this device, and that's commonly the people that are targeted with these ads. It is possible that there are some people who would benefit from these, but again, for most people, it's at best just going to be a waste of your money.